Now, we love these here, the Ford Ranger Predator X. This one just arrived. It is the 3-litre V6, 74 plate, just 9,000 miles, VAT qualifying plus VAT. I've lost count of the amount of times that I've done videos on these and they've sold very, very quickly because one of the build quality, you know, these Predator X's are built properly, they're fully colour coded. They cost an absolute fortune to make look like this. And it's a great example in an unbelievable condition. And if you're looking for one, they don't come around very often. So get it snapped up. Predator X, what is it? So basically, arch extensions, wide arches. It's a very big vehicle. It's much bigger in real life than it probably looks on this video. Suspension uplift, all-terrain tyres, 20-inch Predator wheels. It doesn't stop there. I tried to do the illumination to the grille at the beginning. There you go. How good does that look? But look, Predator grille, all painted. Predator bonnet decal, that's a satin with the green accent. Underbody protection, lovely. Light bar on the roof, SCZ Sportback, done by Alpha. And then its base, this is a Wildtrak. It's a 3-litre V6, so the bigger engine. Very, very desirable indeed. Obviously inside, it is the newer cockpit, the leather seating, the orange stitching, ambient lighting, adaptive cruise, heated seats, heated wheel. Beautiful, beautiful thing. And there's such an imposing vehicle on the road. And everyone that I've sold one of these to loves it. They really do, because it gives you that road presence. It makes everyone's heads turn because of the way it looks. And I love these. So we've bought this, it's going on the website now. I mean, gosh, we sell them very, very quickly because the value now, you know, this is a great price. It's $45,990 plus VAT. The Alpha SCZ Sportback is practical because it gives you, obviously, cover over the rear, bedlined as well, but it also then, when it's shut, looks absolutely great. Black Ford badging. The decal in satin continues to the rear with a little lime green accent again. Just lovely, isn't it? Into the rear, obviously, it's a double cab pickup, so you have 5 seats, floor mats, leather interior again. And if you're interested in this, give me a call on my number on the screen, get it secured. You need the step on this to get in, but once you are in, you are up in a great elevated driving position. Now we've got keyless entry and we've got keyless start for the Ranger, electric driver seat, and things like adaptive cruise control. Now this full digitalized cockpit. There's only 9,019 miles on this 74 plate vehicle. It's absolutely beautiful. You'll see here we've got heated driver and passenger seats with heated wheel. Popping it in the reverse, we've got the reversing camera with the 360 graphic, front and rear sensors, digitalized climate control, wireless smartphone integration as well, high range, low range gearbox settings here, and an all-round stunning condition. You know, this hasn't been used for any heavy use or anything. It's very, very nice indeed. So 3-litre V6 Ranger Predator X, functional light pod on the roof. Now that works off the full beam. I'm blinding Tom on the video there. Very, very bright, but just listen, if you want the best, this is it. We buy them and we sell them very quickly. This is your opportunity to get your hands on one. So give me a call, it's Richard. Thanks for watching.